welcome to my channel. My name is Judy Fitzgerald and I'm an 11-year breast cancer survivor and founder of Sisters for Prevention. And I couldn't be happier than to be spending some time with you. My channel will provide videos on all things breast cancer, from the psychological, emotional, and physical effects that this disease has on patients. If you found my channel, chances are that you or a loved one have been recently diagnosed with this disease. I am very sorry that your family is going through this very difficult time. The goal of my channel is to provide an emotional support, a place of no judgment where we can all come together and discuss issues that we are finding challenging. I plan to post at least once a week, and you can read more about me on my website, www.sisters4prevention.com. Please leave a comment below and introduce yourself so we can get to know each other better. I want to build a community where we can all support each other. Please subscribe, because that will allow me to do live chats where we can all gather and discuss issues that are causing stress in our lives and get support from our fellow sisters. Here are a few examples of some of the videos I've already posted. I have so many more to come, and I'm looking for input from you of what you'd like to talk about. So since I'm new to YouTube, I need subscribers to be able to do a live chat. And I want this to be a place where we can all meet, even though we can't meet in person. We can meet virtually and discuss things that are on our mind, things that are causing us stress. We all know about the R word, the fear of recurrence. And having a community to share and support each other is a very good way for us all to help each other live our best life. So please subscribe and leave a comment below. Introduce yourself. And I hope that we will be able to build this community where we can all support each other to live our best life. Thank you so much, and may God bless.